welcome back. So got another new product from Resin that I want to show you, and that is their new chameleon flakes and their new chrome powder, and it's white. How excited are you for that? I know I am. So what I've decided to use this on is my Dragonfly mold that I've already brushed with the Dragonfly one color, and I did all the flowers another color. And then we're just going to brush the whole mold, the whole rest of the mold, in the chrome powder. So we're going to get busy because I've got my resin already mixed up. And we don't want that to get too hot. Oh, look at that. It's a gigantic 50-gram bottle. This is a 1-gram bottle. So those are the chrome flakes, chameleon mirror white flakes. And then this is the white chrome powder. So we are just going to brush this whole mold with this. Oh, look at that. I've had this for a little bit and I've just been dying to use it. I think because the background on this is going to look stunning. Okay, so now the decision is, do I color my resin or do I leave it clear? That is the question. Because I was debating on what I should do. Okay. I don't even know if I have enough mixed up, so what should I do? What should I do? Let me blow this out real quick. I'm going to try it clear for the first time and see what happens. It's pretty darn close, but it's not enough. I'm going to have to mix up just a little bit more. Or I can let it cure and then put a white background on it. What do you think about that? Like I did last time? We can do that. Okay, I'm going to spritz this because it's already covered. There's a bubble. There's some bubbles in there, so I'm going to have to go fishing. So I'm going to let this cure, and then I will top it off, the little that it has left, with white. Okay? All right, see you guys. Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is done, and I ended up putting the back on it, but I used blue. I think it's called, what did I say? What was it? It is sky blue from Resin. So I was just going to leave it white, and then or clear, and then I changed my mind. So let's see what this looks like. I was chasing bubbles in this for quite a bit because I didn't put it in my vacuum chamber, and I should have. Yeah, quite a few bubbles in there. If I can get it picked up here. So that's quite pretty. Quite pretty, pretty, pretty. So the bubbles, most of them are down inside here, which, you know, I'm going to put UV resin on the back of that anyway. So, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? All this color. And those are a nail powder that I got long time ago. I mean, long time ago from Amazon. But that is very pretty. So, how are we going to embellish this one? I think we're going to use the purple and the teal. Let me get a glove on my finger here. I've decided that this stuff is easier to put on when it's on your gloved finger. So and I just take a little bit, rub it around on my fingers just like that. And then I just go over the edge. And it just highlights. But that mirror white looks really good. Okay. So that's about all of that. Okay, I don't think I've opened the purple yet. And then I'm just going to use this purple right on the edges of these flowers. Just to highlight them a little bit more. It's a very pretty color. But I'm kind of partial to purple and teal, so. Now we're going to put the UV resin on the back of this. Okay. So basically I'm just going to take the UV. Oh, look at that. That's making that pop. Somebody asked me the other day in the comments whether this stuff comes off once it's dry. It does not. And it doesn't take long to dry either. So I'm just putting this on here in the back, smoothing it all out, making sure it gets in all those little spaces. You can really see that white chrome powder now. I'm just trying to fill in some of these little holes here that ended up showing up. Might as well, since I have the UV here. There's not too many, just a couple. Okay, I think this is good. I'm going to put it underneath my double-sided UV lamp from Resin. And then we'll be back. Okay, BRB. Okay, guys. I decided to do white centers on these flowers. And then I think I'm going to do a white edge too. Just on this very top. Just right here. Okay. And then when that gets like tacky, I think I'm going to take a little bit of that teal glitter that I have here and I'm going to brush it over it to give it a little oomph. Okay, I got it all. Okay, we'll let that get tacky. And then I'll just brush some of that glitter on that outer edge. It's this right here. So I don't think I can do it now. Wish they made markers like this. Wouldn't that be cool? This is actually a nail powder, so it's really super, super, super fine. Okay, let me get that cured. That looks more sparkly. And I just touch that side. Urgh. Okay, BRB. Okay, y'all, done. What do you think? I really like that white chrome powder. And that is the new chrome powder from Resin. It's very sparkly, very, very pretty. I haven't tried the chameleon flakes yet, but I will find something to try that on because it's spectacular. So, whoever suggested to put the blue on the back, I did it. So now we know what that looks like. All right. That's number 3 with that. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. So that turned out really nice. All right, well, y'all have to let me know what you think. Have a great week. Bye.